Good Monday morning, everyone. Greg here from Master Trader. Interesting market week ahead of us here. We've got, I believe it's approximately 2,400 companies that will be reporting earnings this week. On Thursday is going to be the big day with over 700, but we've got companies reporting from all various sectors of the market, so there'll be an influence every day. Across the markets. And on Wednesday, we have the Fed announcement on interest rates. Probably, nothing's going to be done there, but the market is always apprehensive and does its gyrations on that, based on that. So futures were down a bit overnight, as you can see right here. They were retesting the slow here at 2464-ish. Now they've popped back up. If this was the end of the day already and I was looking at this chart, I would be saying, another bottoming tail bar and looking for this to move higher into the next day. But we'll see where it ends up by the end of the day here today. Prices are a little bit of extended, and even more so here on the Nasdaq, very far from the moving averages and any support. So these were down too, and they've sprung back up. The weekly is still in an uptrend, and we shall see where they end by the end of the day. Oil is up a little bit here this morning. That's actually gold, but up near this prior high. Nice move off of the low. I'm looking at the same, possibly a measured move could get through it, but there is that stall point right there. And oil is, up a little. It's kind of looks like, it came off of that low nicely, and some of the oil stocks were looking interesting last week. But now I want to see if this double tops or whether this goes sideways here. That'll be the tell. You see, it came down hard on Friday, and now it's holding here. So the retest in a downtrend. So does it double top or does it go sideways, which then would interest me to see about, getting up to that 200 MA. Bonds come off the low nicely as well. Big retracements down and now back up again. So I'm staying clear of that. What's interesting that's caught my eye here this morning, where is it? Here it is. Maybe a bounce here, almost, it's about cut in half from its IPO and stabilized down there for a few days, and it's up here this morning. So maybe a bit of a retracement here in this IPO, apron blue. So if that's of interest to you, it just caught my eye, saw it on the list here today. And, not too much moving big this morning, but we'll see what this week brings. Goldman, the underperformer in the financials, came down hard. It's down a little bit here this morning, and I'm wondering, is it part of a big rounding bottom here? So just setting an alert up in this area up here to see if it comes back up and moving on to other things. And that's about it. Nothing else really moving that big here. As I said, it's so many companies reporting earnings this week, so there's going to be a lot of push and pull from different stocks and news events and such. So should be a lot of opportunity as well as those reports come out. So good luck, trade accordingly, and we will talk tomorrow.